Station. Andito na. Ayan o.
We're here.
Miller's Bay.
Miller's State Park.
You have arrived. Oh my God, camp area full. Oh shucks.
Ay, naku, ang daming tao.
Saan ba tayo? Saan ba tayo na Tito Jimmy? Diretso pa, no?
Ayun.
Grabe, oh. Majestic, eh.
Meron ka ng pass kaya hindi mo na kailangan.
Hindi na tayo kailangan dumaan dyan.
Diretso ka lang.
Park Ranger. Sarap
Big
mag-camping
time na
sa
tayo dati. Wala tayo.
Tandaan ka lang, ha?
Ang ganda ng view.
Kaya nga.
Oo.
Di ba? Para kang nasa France.
Para naman nasa ano yung movie.
Ang daming
Ayan, oh. Daming tao, oh. Grabe, oh.
Kasi camping eh.
Ayaw nyo kasi.
Camping.
Saan ba tayo? Kanan, Tito Jimmy? Kanan yun, no?
Kanan.
Ganun
Ay,
Grabe, oh.
hindi. Sorry, doon tayo.
Pwede ka pang matras?
O sige, pwede na. Balik na lang tayo pagka ano.
Ikot ka na lang. Ayan, oh.
Hindi-
Grabe, oh.
Diretso lang.
Ay, oo. Ito yung inikutan natin.
Look at those ano.
Oh, yun, oh.
Grabe, oh.
So paano yun? Paano?
Oh, di ba?
Kung nag-camping tayo,
Diretso ka.
Umihi dyan sa kung saan.
Oh.
Pero talagang ano, look at those people who goes camping.
Ayun, no, tinan mo.
talaga.
Tinan mo naman yung video.
Saan ba? Saan ka pa po?
Yeah, umiikot lang ako. Sandali.
Ah, bubuelta ka na lang.
Oo, kasi puro mga sites.
Grabe, oh.
Campsites eh.
Wala sinabi.
Hindi ka nga malulungkot dito pag nag-camping ka, eh.
Dalawa tayo dahil.
Subukan nyo.
Alam ba capacity?
Mabi, tignan mo, Mabs, oh. Naku, Diyos ko, oh.
Para ka na sa Jurassic, di ba?
Oo.
Jurassic.
Gusto mo nga. Grabe, oh. Grabe ang bango ng barbecue. Typical, no? Sa Pilipinas. Grabe, lamig, oh. Ba't ka pa nag-aircon?
Barbecue nga. Barbecue.
Gusto mo namin.
Kasi hindi ka natutulog ito gabi.
Oo, malamang. Buksan mo. Grabe yung pine tree. Ang laki, oh.
Ayun, may parking. Right there.
Ako sigurado yung parking natin puno yun.
Kaya
Yung malapit sa ano, no?
sa fishing.
Sa fishing. Doon tayo, eh. Doon maganda mag-park, eh. Yan ba yun? Oh, ayan, oh. Yan na.
Yun.
Ito yun, ito yun. Alright. Hello. Chef Jacob. So, wow! Alright. That's what I call beef patty. Okay. Can you see that, guys? Okay. We're cooking burger. Alright. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Candid. See that? We have our own battleship. This is our own battleship. Okay? So, it's equipped with 500 horsepower turbine engine. Okay? Later.
Thank you. I appreciate your input.
Later, we're gonna use it. We're gonna conquer the lake. Okay? Hi, Lonzo. We're gonna go boating. This is what I call total vacation. Okay? Total vacation. Isn't it awesome? Right. Hello, Mabs. See that? This is what I call total vacation. Yan. Kita nyo naman. Yan, oh. This is what I call total vacation. Grabe sa dami na ng content ko. Hindi na to kasya sa ano.
This is yours. This is yours. This is mine.
Okay, may tent pa kami doon.
Get this one.
Okay. There you
How do you
go.
spell mosquito?
You want some hamburger?
I want meat with bread. Please, mommy, please.
What?
Oh, thank you.
Like this.
Yes, yes. Okay, wait lang. Sige, video.
Look at that. My
Overload.
own.
Overloaded
Yeah.
burger.
Courtesy. Courtesy of Chef Jacob.
Umupo pa.
Thank you.
My name is also Jacob.
Nice.
Yeah, that's courtesy.
Courtesy of Chef Jacob.
Gusto lang niya makilala si ano, Elian.
And our guest.
Hi.
What's your name?
Jacob.
Ay, Jacob! Okay. Okay.
Hey, I see you.
Okay, this is Jacob 1 and this is Jacob 2.
You're the younger version of our Jacob.
One day.
One day.
Do you feel cold? Ha?
Vacation!
Vacation of the year? Of the century? Ha? Lonzo!
Awesome bakasyon! 2025!
Lonzo! What are you eating? Chocolate!
What's that?
Tootsie Roll!
Zero! Gotta go, gotta go!